Go, girl. Hey, hello, peeps. I want to introduce you my friend.
Crazy people.
Her name is Lavi. In short, hell driver of Reykjavik. We're driving the snow in the middle of Reykjavik at middle of the night. So anyway, this is Reykjavik in the night in the snow, cold.
Yeah.
So where are we?
Oh, wala na. Yes, masaya. Masaya na yung likod eh. Slack on it. Alam mo tayo, uy naku te, grabe. Nagdodrive ako noon, papunta ng Reykjavik. Grabe yung bad weather niya. Umiikot talaga yung sasakyan ko.
Oh, lala.
2 beses. Buti na natakot yung aksidente sa akin.
Diyos ko dahil. Ano ba yan?
Frambe.
Ja.
Ayan.
My husband will see this in Facebook. He'd be saying, my crazy wife. What is he doing with crazy people in Reykjavik?